That's better. You see?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, couple of clicks more with the SICK Romeo 7S. And the Radical. Just go down a couple of clicks. Right. Now with my what you call it? Astigmatism? The astigmatism? The astigmatism.
Autism.
What you call it?
Oh, I don't know. Astigmatism.
Yeah. Mine is so bad that I don't see one single point, one single dot. I see like one in the top with a line and two in the bottom. It's horrible.